Baby, straighten your back. Tony, straighten your back.
4 lang? Ako pa sa 8.
Yeah.
Okay. Ano?
Starts with letter what, how?
Lugan,
Low.
Gaba mo na iyo, ano?
What letter starts with letter
Starts with letter ano? Starts with letter ano, Trisha?
C?
C.
C pala? Fish? Hindi. C. Dumay, yalik ko. Dumay ka pa, agamay ka.
Starts with letter C. And then it's big.
May tail.
So my tail. It has many teeth.
Ha?
Many teeth.
Sakmo. Matala
Amo niyo.
Pamati na sakmo kay. Pamati na kay siya bala,
May sound. Okay. Wala na sound.
Wala sound.
Okay, okay.
Ano sound isa yan?
Kay Alisa dudak dulo kay pala.
It's long.
Oh, long.
Long. Oh.
Pamati.
It's green.
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 And it's back at all the parts.
Oh. Starts with letter C.
Starts with letter C. You've already said that a while ago.
Ano
Long.
Ano
it's green.
Long. It has many teeth. It has many teeth and it's the mouth opens very wide.
Tony, bulag na siya. Whale.
No, C. Starts with letter C. It eats humans also. It bites humans. C.
It is made of slippers mo, made of the before na ang slippers mo. Slippers ka lang.
Come on.
Punta na